you to use different type of sentence or different type of expressions. So that's you should bear in mind that not all expressions is suitable to be put in every situation. And also you need to remind that not all type of question is considered polite. There are several types of questions that people consider rude or offensive. Yes, boleh Amira. Um, what are the examples of rude and expensive questions ini? Offensive kok expensive. Offensive. What are the
Merit.
Ya kan,
As
itu
How
age,
old?
agama,
Age.
umur.
okay, age, agama, and then what else?
profession,
Penghasilan.
Merit.
yes, married,
Penghasilan, marital status, and so on. Okay.
Any children?
Any children? Yes, that is one of the maybe now is a little bit quiet, sensitive question. Do you have any children, or how many children do you have? Apalagi kalau dia belum menikah, kemudian kamu tanya how many children do you have? So that will be quite rude. So kalian adalah generasi yang sekarang sudah sangat melek teknologi dan sangat melek informasi dari manapun. Instagram misalnya, kamu dapat informasi dari Instagram, or kamu dapat informasi dari TikTok misalnya, to platforms that you constantly use. Nah, di sana selain senang-senang, kamu juga mendapatkan banyak pelajaran. So untuk masa sekarang misalnya asking about how many children you have is also considered quite rude atau offensive atau apa namanya, not many people like that type of questions. So you need to understand that. And then also you have also learned how to use the titles, how to attach the titles to the name of people. Mr., Mrs., Miss, and Miss, how to attach them to people's name, and then how to introduce someone to somebody else, and then also small talk. You have read about small talk, even though we didn't really discuss it about small talk, because small talk will depend on the context again, will depend on the situation again. Now, we will move to different topic today. We will talk about personalities, sifat yang atau attitude atau sifat apa namanya yang kamu bawa dalam diri kamu gitu. So the personality traits, as I said to you before, that we are going to divide it into two activities. The first one is you are going to describe famous people personalities, which I have asked you to prepare last week, and then next we will talk about your own personality. That will be for next week. Nah, the lesson learning outcomes or the objectives of our meeting today is there are four. The first one is understand various vocabulary of positive personality traits. You will know you will know vocabularies of positive personality traits, some examples of them, and then you will know some examples of negative personality traits, and then you will know how to explain or describe them, and then after that you will know how to apply them to describe famous people's personality for today, famous people personality. And then I'd like to remind you all also, guys, too, several of our classroom rules, which are turning on your camera and mute your microphone unless you are talking. And then after that, raise your hand if you want to ask something or you want to answer something. And then also be active and participated in this class and try to use your English as best as you can. All right, are you ready, guys? Can we start now?
Yes, Miss.
Good. Good.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, you have seen the handout, and there are 7 pre-discussions topic there. I give you 1 minute to think about these questions. Karena ini masing-masingnya berbeda, maka kita nggak akan kayak kemarin. Kalau kemarin kamu boleh randomly pick. Kalau sekarang kita urutan dulu. Kita akan jawab nomor 1, nomor 2, nomor 3, sampai nomor 7, dan seterusnya. Oke, silakan dipikirkan dulu jawaban kamu. Nanti kamu bisa raise hand kalau kamu mau menjawab yang nomor 1 dulu. Ngopi, guys. Kalau mau jawab yang nomor 1, silakan. Pun kalau kamu udah jawab nomor 1, nanti kamu mau jawab lagi nomor 5 misalnya, don't worry. Jadi jangan nanti saya jawab nomor 5 aja. Ya jangan kayak gitu. Nanti saya bisa panggil kamu 2-3 kali kok, asal kamu angkat tangan. Who wants to answer the first question? What is the first thing people notice about you? Okay, Metri.
Kinda arrogant, Miss.
Oh, that's so. Why is that so?
Nggak tahu, mungkin apa ya, aku mukanya kurang berekspresi kali ya. Jadi orang-orang tuh mikirnya kayak, ih dia tuh agak sombong apa gimana gitu. Kadang
Sombong apa
suka
jutek?
dapat iya jutek gitu. Jadi tapi kalau udah kenal lama-lama tuh justru aku receh gitu loh, Miss. Terus orang-orang yang kayak, ih dia bisa sereceh ini ya gitu.
Okay, so people who really know you is your close friends.
Yeah.
Close friends. And okay, did you act differently? Or for example, I ask your friend and then I ask your family. Will the answer be different?
No.
So you are receh both in family and both in friend.
Iya.
I see. But the first thing that people notice about you is you are like not arrogant maybe, but cynical because of your face.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, good. Thank you very much, Metri, for sharing. Ada lagi yang mau menjawab nomor 1? Elvira, silakan.
Friendly.
Oh, the first thing people notice about you is you are friendly.
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, why is that so, Elvira?
Sering ketawa kali ya aku jadi.
Okay. Senyum terus. Okay. Nah, related to our question last week, that are you a type of person who are comfortable approaching someone first? So, because you said that previously that you are friendly, apakah kamu tipe orang yang nyapa orang duluan atau enggak kalau ketemu orang baru?
Iya, ma'am. Jadi aku yang notice duluan, terus bilangnya, kamu humble gitu.
I see. So you are friendly and humble. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Elvira, for sharing. Okay, Amira.
Shy, Miss. Shy people.
Oh, you are a shy person. Okay. Why do you describe yourself as a shy person?
Because orang lain harus tahu duluan.
Oh, other people have to talk first. Okay, good. Thank you, Amira. And Ali, if I'm not mistaken, you also raised your hand previously, Ali?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Ali.
Quiet person.
Oh, quiet.
Yeah.
Okay. Quiet but not shy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You don't want to start the conversation first?
Sometimes I talk to somebody first, but sometimes I wait to someone to approach me first.
Okay, okay. Nah, if for example you have been friend for a long time, are you still a quiet person?
No.
No. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Ali, for sharing. Rizky.
Uh, I think the first thing people notice about me is on my appearance uh, and my spectacles. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I think the first thing people notice about me is quite a polite person because
Quiet.
the first language they talk to me is Indonesian.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so they always talk to me with some formal expression and uh, formal etiquette. But if they are close enough to me, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they are some they will know me as some apa ya hyperactive. I think
Oh,
yes. I think
hyperactive
like that.
or talkative also?
Uh, both. I think both.
Both.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Right. Good. Thank you very much, Rizky, for sharing. We have
Thank you
Amanda.
very much, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Amanda.
Maybe cheerful.
Oh, cheerful.
Yeah,
Okay. Why is
because
that so, Amanda?
because I'm so I always excited to meet a person.
Oh, right. Okay. So you are the type of person who light up the mood in the group?
Yes.
Oh, good, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Amanda.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, how about Irgi? What type of person are you? What is the first thing people notice about you, Irgi?
I think I'm quiet, but
Quiet, huh?
uh, and good listen.
Good
Good
listener.
listener. Yeah,
Okay. So, many of your friend put their secrets on you, Irgi?
yeah. Uh,
Uh,
some friends come to me to talk about their problem.
okay, right. Are you a problem solver too?
I think yeah.
Oh, good, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Irgi.
Mm.
So, next we have Yuni.
Yes, Miss.
So, Yuni, what is the first thing people notice about you?
Uh, my in my physique, my body was small and my hair was pendek, Miss. Jadi orang
Mm-mm.
ngiranya I'm in underage. Jadi
Oh,
bukan di usia aku.
biasanya kamu disangkanya anak umur berapa?
Eh, kalau orang tua mikirnya aku SMP in junior high
Oke,
school. They
oke,
were shocked when I told I'm in universitas or senior high school.
oke. That also happened to me, Yuni.
Baby
Okay,
face Miss mukanya.
baby fast. Yeah, okay. All right, good. Thank you very much, Yuni, for sharing.
Thank you, Miss.
Gian?
Yes, Miss. I'm sorry, but what is English of polontong, Miss?
Apa?
Polontong.
Apa itu polontong? Lah, saya
Kayak
juga nggak tahu itu bahasa Indonesianya.
like what is Indonesian?
Similar to arrogant.
Yeah, yes. Like arrogant.
Angkuh gitu.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't
Ya,
know.
arrogant.
I have a little story when I berkumpul with my senior high school friends. We talk about our first impression, and they talk about me. It's like that. I'm a naughty boy, but I'm not too bad.
I'm not too bad. Why is that so? Because of your face seperti tadi siapa tadi yang pertama? Siapa tadi? Maitri? Or
I don't
karena
know.
kamu nggak nyapa orang?
No, I always menyapa orang. I think because my walk behavior, gaya jalan gitu, Miss. Gaya berjalan.
Kayak petantang petenteng gitu.
Oh iya.
Okay. All right. Good. Thank you very much, Gian, for sharing.
Yes.
Okay, the last one for the first question, we have Zaki.
I'm an extrovert and humorist, Miss.
Oh, extrovert and humorous person. Okay, why is that so, Zaki?
Because I'm the person hard to keep quiet, and
To keep quiet.
because I usually start the conversation with jokes.
With jokes. Okay.
Yeah, with any jokes.
If I'm not mistaken, that you are the KM of this class, right?
Yeah, right, Miss.
Okay. Several weeks ago was the first time you all guys meet. Nah, what makes you choose Zaki as the KM of this class? Because he is older than you?
Jelaskan, Miss.
Karena sering keluar di grup
Paling muda, Miss.
Is
Yang paling
Kenapa?
sering
Body
keluar
is
Japri
sering
juga
keluar
di
di grup.
Platnan, Miss.
is big
Yang paling
body.
sering gimana? Japri?
Sering
Iya,
Keluar.
ngasih info-info gitu-gitu
di
tuh.
grup
Oh,
ya,
berarti
Ana.
Platnan.
terlihatnya paling responsible,
Yes.
Iya.
Enggak.
diandalkan,
Tidak.
gitu ya. Paling
Karena
bisa
badannya besar.
diandalkan ya. Okay. Alright. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Zaki, for sharing. Okay, now we have the second question. Before is like, is that what are other people thinking about you? Now my question is that what do you like about yourself? What personality that you like about yourself? Kafi. Okay, Kafi.
Baik, Miss. Saya menyukai diri saya. Saya selalu merasa optimis dan percaya diri tentang suatu hal apapun gitu, Miss.
Okay, what is the English for optimis and percaya diri?
Confidence and optimism.
All right, optimistic. You are an optimistic person and confident person, and you like it.
Yes, Miss.
You like that. Okay. Why do you like that, Kahfi? Is there any example or any
Because
story happened?
Semua orang nggak bisa kayak gitu, Miss.
Okay, good. Nah, is there any example yang menunjukkan kalau kamu itu confident and optimistic?
Pertama, kalau misalkan Kahfi itu sedang mengejar sesuatu gitu, Miss, yang nggak mungkin Kahfi buat dapetin, orang lain tuh kayak ngiranya aku mah nggak akan dapet apa yang kamu impikan gitu. Tapi Kahfi bisa membuktikan bahwa Kahfi bisa gitu, Miss.
Apa tuh contohnya? Ada salah satu contoh? Masuk polban gitu?
Ada, Miss.
Apa gimana?
Enggak, bukan maksud polban. Dulu kayak di sekolah tuh kan Kahfi ikut organisasi gitu ya, Miss. Kebetulan jadi ketuanya gitu. Ada program kerja yang emang susah banget buat dilaksanakan karena angkatan-angkatan sebelumnya belum pernah ngelaksanain, tapi Kahfi percaya diri, optimis, bisa ngelaksanainnya gitu.
And you can?
Yes.
It succeeds. Okay, good. So, what you like about yourself, that you are an optimistic person and you are a very confident person in a good way. Good. Thank you very much, Kahfi. Any others who wants to share?
Habis tadi jaringan nggak suaranya.
Oh iya, nggak apa-apa. Okay. Well, any others who wants to share? Elvira. Okay, Elvira, what do you like about yourself?
Maaf mem, takut putus-putus.
Ya.
Mudah bahagia gitu dan
Okay, try to use English.
easy love and happy. Itu nggak sih, Miss?
Okay, so we can say that you are positive mind person. You are positive person.
I think yeah.
Okay, so it's easy for you to feel happy. It's easy for you to see the positive things of everything, Elvira.
Jadi kalau misalnya lagi bete gitu ya, terus ada yang bikin ketawa tuh jadi nggak marah gitu.
Hilang gitu ya.
Ya,
Oke, good. Jadi ya kamu adalah tipe yang positif orangnya. Good. Thank you very much for sharing, Elvira.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Ahmad. Ahmad.
Yang saya suka dari diri saya sendiri.
Bentar. In English,
yeah.
please.
Even though I have many problems, I can still go forward and find a way out of these problems.
Okay, even though you have many problems, you can still go forward and
find a way out of these problems. Yes.
Okay, so how do you describe that personality kalau begitu?
Ya, Miss,
kalau kamu misalnya ada masalah terus kamu berjuang keras untuk memecahkan masalah tersebut, kemudian kamu bisa cari pemecahan masalah tersebut, jadi kamu orang yang seperti apa? Gimana kamu melihat diri kamu berarti itu? Apa sebutannya?
Tidak mudah menyerah itu apa, Miss?
Tidak mudah menyerah. Kalau kalau mudah menyerah apa?
Kayak not easily give up.
Okay, not easily give up, pantang menyerah, or you can say that you are strong.
Maybe.
Nah, okay, good. Thank you very much, Ahmad, for sharing.
Thank you, Miss.
Putra.
Yeah, Miss, what do you like about yourself? I am like me because I am a good listener, penyabar, patient, and the last forgiving person.
Oh, you are forgiving person.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, in the big thing that you are very nice and kind.
Yeah, because all people and all my friends talk to me that I am still want to listen their problem and give that solution gitu.
I see. Good. Thank you very much, Putra, for sharing. Okay, we have Sheila.
What I like about myself is when I really want something, I will fight for it.
Good. When you really want something, you will fight for it. Nah, apa tuh kita sebutnya personality-nya apa tuh?
Apa ya?
Okay. We can say that you have a strong willing person. Strong willing person. Because when you want something, you try hard to achieve it.
Yes.
You can say that you are a strong willing person. Nah, teman-teman, seperti yang minggu lalu saya bilang sama kamu juga, kalau ada misalnya kosakata baru atau yang lain-lain yang tidak ada di handout, you can take notes ya, karena personality ini diskusi tentang personality ini pasti pasti there are lots of or thousand, ada ribuan kosakata tentang personality. Jadi nggak mungkin semuanya dimasukin ke handout. Jadi dengan kita sharing seperti ini, misalnya Sheila tadi ngomong, oh dia seperti ini, bahasa Inggrisnya apa gitu ya? You can say Sheila is a strong willing person or determined person. Determined yang punya kemauan yang kuat. And then ketika kamu punya kemauan yang kuat, kamu berusaha keras untuk mencapainya, so you can say that you are hardworking person also. Ya, good. Thank you very much Sheila for sharing. Dan that's a good job Sheila. Bagus karena minggu lalu kamu belum berani untuk tampil, sekarang kamu udah angkat tangan. That was very good. Thank you very much Sheila.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Now we have Aisyah.
Yes, Miss. What do I like about myself is when I don't like it, then I would like say no. Like if someone invited me and I would like I'm tired of I gak mau keluar rumah gitu because I'm introvert. And I would like to say just no, like because my friend was really like that of person.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
So you know what you want.
Yeah, gitu. Yes, Miss.
You know what you want, and you are brave to say what you want.
Yes.
Good, good. Ya, itu adalah salah satu sikap yang bagus banget, Aisyah. Sikap yang mungkin nggak semua orang punya. Banyak orang yang sungkanan ya. Banyak orang yang nggak enakan. Nah, sifat yang seperti kamu ini adalah sifat yang bagus banget. Sifat yang mungkin ya itu tadi nggak semua orang punya. Ya, good, good, Aisyah. Okay, we have. Nah, untuk yang selanjutnya, untuk yang ini yang udah angkat tangan, how if you answer the question number 3? How if you answer the question number 3? If number 2 is the question that you like about yourself, now maybe the question is about the personality that you don't like, or the personality that you really want to change. Okay, Amira, do you already have the answer? The personality that you would like to change?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
I have no insecurities, so I would like change that to have a little bit of insecurities, because a little bit of insecurities can make me feel bisa menambah kekurangan Ami gitu.
Oh, gimana tuh maksudnya? Kenapa kamu malah pengen jadi insecure?
Because karena insecure-nya tuh insecure yang sama kayak orang sukses gitu, Miss. So I feel like I'm comfortable with I'm no.
So we can say that kamu sekarang puas gitu. Kamu cepat puas.
Yes,
Kamu cepat puas dengan apa yang sekarang kamu punya gitu. Harusnya kamu lebih try harder to be better.
Yes, I feel like I have to push myself.
Good, good. Okay, so you want to change it. Maybe bukan having insecurities, but maybe the personality that you would like to change is the personality of pantang kalah, maybe ya.
Yes.
Kamu harus punya apa? Kamu harus punya di dalam diri kamu itu harus punya obsesi gitu ya.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Ami. Well, Neisha, is there any personality that you would like to change, Neisha?
I will change my personalities is my emotion not stable. Yeah, so I will change that maybe, Miss.
It's easy for you to get angry?
No, but my my mood is really break.
Okay,
Kayak
so
susah
you are a very
susah
moody
gitu loh.
person.
For sometimes I'm a moody person, but sometimes it's just a happier person.
Okay, you want to change it.
Yes, maybe.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Neisha, for sharing.
Thank
Zaki,
you.
what do you like to change about you, Zaki?
Uh, uh, I'm a labil person and
Labil person.
and sometimes rude.
Oh, rude. Okay. Do you want to change
Uh,
it?
yeah, of
Mhm.
course.
What kind
Because
of rude? I mean, like,
uh,
have you ever got problem because of that?
zaman dulu sih, Miss.
Kenapa? Lewat omongan gitu?
Bukan kayak perbuatan aja waktu dari
Oke.
SMP
Mhm, mhm.
kan bergaul dengan sesama laki-laki gitu.
Hmm.
Pas tahu budaya SMA dan selanjutnya bergaul dengan perempuan butuh penyesuaian itu dulu.
Oke, oke. Emang kamu SMP-nya kayak pesantren gitu?
Iya,
Laki-laki
Miss.
doang?
Ya,
Oh, oke.
I mean like boarding school,
Boarding school.
but half
Oh.
pesantren, half military ya.
Oh, I see. No girls in that school.
Ada but different place.
Oh, I see, I see. So the girls on your senior high school told you that you are maybe not rude, but ya kamu memperlakukan mereka kayak kamu memperlakukan cowok.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So
I learned about it.
so maybe you want to be a little bit more sensitive.
Ya, dari situ belajar jadi gimana berinteraksi dan berperilaku gitu sama a woman.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Zaki. Dan sudah berhasil sekarang?
Ya.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Zaki, for sharing. Gian.
Yes, Miss. I think is one what I want really change for myself is my whatever habit. Yes. Like,
Whatever habit?
Kayak
What
bodo
is
amat
whatever
gitu.
habit? Apa?
Kayak sikap bodo amat gitu.
Oh, whatever habit. Oke, sikap bodo amat gitu ya.
Yes.
Gimana tuh contoh sikap bodo amatnya?
It's like lazy. Kayak malas gitu, Miss. Jadi like when I do my job, it's like menunda gitu, Miss. Menunda.
Okay, so you want to change it?
Yes, I really want to change.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Gian, for sharing. Rizky, what do you like to change?
Traits that I want to change, very want to change is forgetfulness.
Oh, are you forgetful?
Yes, even in elementary school, I have forget sering gitu, Miss, sering lupa. Ya itu bikin nggak enak gitu. I almost forget something like tomorrow I want to kerjakan tugas ini ya, kerjakan tugas ini. Then tomorrow I just forgot gitu, Miss.
Okay. Nah, is there something that you do to overcome it? Maybe you have apa namanya?
I have notes, yes, notes and a reminder like alarm.
Okay.
Yes, but still like I keep forget to check the notes. Yes. Jadi ya tetap lupa gitu, Miss.
Okay. Nah, how about placing something at home or at your room? Apakah kamu juga lupa ini tadi naruhnya di mana ya? Itu juga suka lupa.
Kalau buat barang, I think enggak sih Miss, enggak kalau buat barang.
Tapi kerjaan ya yang suka kamu lupain.
Like kerjaan, janji.
Oh, oke.
Suka lupa Miss.
So that reminder and that notes helps you.
I think the reminders is help me a lot, but the most help is from my friend because
Okay.
biasanya
Temanmu yang ngingetin?
teman yang ngingatin gitu.
Okay. Okay, good. Maybe you could, ya kalau misalnya di WhatsApp gitu, kamu bisa pin chat teman itu ke bagian atas, jadi kamu bisa tahu, oh kayaknya ada urusan nih sama orang ini nih. Nah kamu bisa cek lagi gitu. Kalau sekarang kan teknologi juga udah bisa bantu kita ya. Nah, salah satu caranya misalnya pin chat yang kamu mau, oh ini ada janji nih, pin ke atas chatnya gitu kan. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Rizky. Sania.
I'm too shy person.
Very what?
I'm too shy person.
Too shy. Okay, you like to change it.
Yeah, I want to be more friendly to someone else and say hi firstly to them.
Okay. Have you tried?
I'm not yet. Maybe in next time I will try.
Maybe next time when you meet these friends.
Yes.
Okay. How about in dunia maya or in WhatsApp? Do you like to communicate with them, with these people, with these friends?
Yeah. Kalau di media sosial mah enggak gitu, tapi as face to face, I'm so shy person.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Sania. Okay, we have Ali.
The personality that I really want to change is inferior and afraid of being wrong.
Inferior and afraid of being wrong. What do you mean by inferior here?
Kadang-kadang suka minder aja gitu, Miss. Nggak percaya diri.
Okay. And afraid of being wrong. Takut salah.
Iya.
Dalam segala hal.
Enggak.
Biasanya dalam hal apa itu?
Misalnya
kerjaan apa ngomong?
Takut nanya gitu, takut salah, takut mengutarakan pendapat.
Oke. Tapi ini di kelas ini kamu berani nih?
Ya, sedang mencoba mengubahnya, Miss.
Good, Ali. Ya, kelas online ini membantu ya untuk hal yang seperti itu. Kelas online ini membantu.
Yeah.
Kamu ngerasain nggak? Kamu lebih berani di kelas online. Kalau di kelas offline kamu juga sering angkat tangan nggak?
Kalau di kelas offline jarang sih, Bu.
Oke. Jadi karena sekarang you are in your comfort zone, you are at your home, learning from your home, learning from your own room. Jadi it helps you a little bit ya. It helps you a little bit to overcome that kind of feeling. Karena kamu kan lingkungan kamu adalah lingkungan di mana kamu nyaman. Kamar misalnya, kamu sendirian misalnya, no one will look at you directly. Kamu ngelihat ke kamera, orang-orang melihat ke kamera, jadi ya itu agak membantu. Very good. Ketika kamu bisa memanfaatkan atau bisa mengambil hal positif dari atau bisa memanfaatkan momentum sekarang kelas online, kamu manfaatkan untuk build your confidence. That was very good, Ali. Good. Thank you very much, Ali, for sharing. Okay, maybe for the last answer for number 3, we have Andika.
Thank you, Miss. Personality traits I would like to change is careless. In the meaning ceroboh.
Careless. Iya, good. Apa tuh contohnya? Kamu cerobohnya tuh gimana tuh?
For the example, when I do the exam, jadi terburu-buru gitu mengerjakannya.
Oke, nggak periksa lagi.
Nah, iya.
Oke, so kalau selain exam, misalnya naruh barang sembarangan gitu-gitu?
Oh, kayak terkadang sih, Miss. Sering.
Oke, so you want to change it. Berarti lain kali harus agak lebih berhati-hati ya, Andika ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, ya Ali, you may go to the restroom. Oke, nah, yang sudah angkat tangan, we will try to answer nah sebenarnya question number 3 and question number 4 ini mungkin agak sedikit mirip. What traits do you want to have? Pasti adalah kebalikan dari traits yang you want to change tadi ya. Nah, we jump to question number 5 aja. What kind of person do you get along with? Atau what kind of person do you like to be friend with? What kind of personality that you like from your friends misalnya? What kind of people that you like to be friend with? Okay, Yuni.
Maybe creative.
Creative?
Yeah.
Creative. Why do you like that creative person?
Because I'm not type like a creative person. It's hard for me to think creative and improve it until now.
Okay. Is there any of your friend who is creative?
Almost my friend was creative for me.
Okay, so they involve or they influence you to get creative too?
A little bit, but still it's hard for me to improve it.
Okay, good.
Dikit, Miss.
Kreatifnya ini dalam hal apa nih maksudnya nih, Yuni?
Think creative just like apa ya? Kayak mencampur warna atau
making
gitu.
Kayak do it yourself thing itu.
Do mind map or anything else.
Okay, good. Alright, thank you for sharing, Yuni.
Yes.
Okay, Halimah Dewi, what kind of person do you get along with?
I think confident.
Confident, you like the people who are confident. Why is that so, Halimah?
Karena aku sendiri not confident.
Oke,
jadi ngelakuin sesuatu gitu.
Oke. Nah, teman-teman yang kamu punya itu terkadang bisa membawa kamu, kalau mereka confident, kamu ikutan confident ya, sama kayak Yuni tadi. Kalau teman-temannya kreatif, kita bisa terinfluence atau terinfluence tuh bahasa Indonesianya apa? Terpengaruh.
Ya.
Terpengaruh untuk jadi kreatif juga. Kalau Halimah misalnya teman-temannya berani atau confident, pede, nah kamu juga bisa ikutan pede juga. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Halimah. Anwar?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Anwar, what person?
Humorous person, Miss.
Humorous person. Oh, what kind of person you get along with? You like humorous person?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
Because I am a quiet person ya. Saya pendiam gitu. Jadi butuh
you like
orang yang iya.
Okay. Is there any of your friend who are humorous?
No, man.
No. Yeah. But none of your friend are humorous.
Oh, yes.
Ada temanmu yang lucu.
Ada.
Ada. Oke. Teman akrab kamu?
Akrab. Masa kecil.
Okay, good. Right, thank you very much for sharing, Anwar.
Yes, Miss.
Kahfi, what kind of person do you get along with?
I think the person I always lead to goodness, Miss. Yang selalu membawa ke kebaikan gitu.
Selalu membawa ke kebaikan. Dalam hal apa? There are so big itu.
Pray, Miss, ibadah.
Oh, ibadah. Okay. So, berarti kamu senang berteman dengan orang yang alim, ngingetin kamu sholat, ngingetin kamu puasa, gitu?
Yang
Okay, right. Kamu sendiri gimana? Apakah kamu adalah tipe teman yang seperti itu?
nggak tahu ya, Miss, nggak bisa ngejawab sendiri gitu.
Oke.
Kalau dari Kavi sendiri mah, tapi orangnya mudah terpengaruh gitu, Miss. Kalau misalkan bergaul dengan orang yang ya belok kayak gitu, ya Kavi bakal belok juga, Miss, gitu. Makanya pengen cari orang yang bisa membawa ke kebaikan.
Nah, gimana dengan lingkungan pertemanan kamu sekarang? Udah baik apa belum?
Udah baik, Miss. Alhamdulillah sekarang.
Good. Okay, good. Okay, Gian, you may go to the restroom. Kenapa, Kavi?
Enggak, kalau dulu hancur parah gitu pergaulannya.
Kalau dulu? Oke. Ya, good. Kamu sekarang udah ketemu dengan teman-teman yang bisa membawa kamu ke kebaikan. That's very good. Okay, we have, sebelum kita lanjut, sayanya juga mau ke toilet dulu sebentar ya. Kalian yang lain kalau mau ke toilet silakan.
Yang belum mandi dulu.
Di-record, hei, Kade.
Maaf, saya sudah dong.
Astagfirullah, lupa, Mat.
Oke, teman-teman, kita lanjut lagi. Now we have Imas Herawati.
Ya, Miss.
Okay. Imas, what kind of person do you get along with?
Friendly.
Friendly person.
I'm introvert.
Mhm. You are an introvert person.
banget gitu. Ya.
Oh,
Malu.
oke. Jadi kamu senangnya dapat teman yang mau approach kamu duluan, mau mendekati kamu duluan, friendly person. Oke, nah good. Apakah kamu punya lingkungan sosial yang besar, Imas, atau lingkungan pertemanan yang besar?
No.
No. How many best friends do you have?
I have my friend punya sahabat tapi cuman dikit gitu.
Mendikit. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Imas. Now we have Agung.
Tunggu, man. Hello.
Agung.
Before a productive person, Miss.
Productive person. Why productive person?
Because I'm sometimes careless and short time.
Mm-hmm.
And I need a productive person.
You need productive person to make you productive too.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any of your friend who are productive?
Maybe senior high school I have friends productive and kuliah in the university maybe I have a person gitu.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Agung, for sharing. Now we have Latifa.
Confident person, Miss.
Confident person. Why confident person, Latifa?
Because I am introvert.
You are introvert too. Okay. Ada beberapa orang ya yang pengen confident person karena mereka lebih shy, ya. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Latifa. Irgi.
The person I think is who can take me out to my comfort zone gitu, Miss. Jadi teman yang bisa ngajak saya dari keluar dari zona nyamannya gitu. Soalnya I think I like challenge. I want to explore my experience, what new friend or new stranger.
Oke. Jadi kamu butuh teman yang juga suka pengen explore, pengen keluar dari zona nyaman mereka sendiri, trying something new gitu ya.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Irgi. We have Padlil now.
I think ambitious person, Miss.
Ambitious person. Why ambitious person, Padlil?
Supaya bisa terbawa ambis, Miss.
Oke, ambis ini dalam hal apa nih?
Bisa dalam belajar, Miss, pendidikan.
Oke, sekolah ya. Oke, good.
Yeah,
Thank you very much for sharing, Padlil. Maitri. Maitri, what kind of person do you get along with?
Yang calm, Miss.
Calm? Why calm?
Biar bisa ini aja sih, Miss. Kayak mikirnya tuh yang jernih gitu loh. Gak yang gerasak gerusuk gitu. Karena aku agak panikan gitu orangnya. Terus kayak ini harus cepat-cepat gitu.
Jadi kamu sebenarnya butuh penenang?
Iya.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Maitri. And Putra, what kind of person do you get along with, Putra?
Pada dasarnya I don't choose friend. I can to be friend with all people, but I want a friend wise maybe.
Wise person.
Yeah.
Why wise person?
Wise because he or she can can menempatkan it wrong or it's correct gitu, maybe.
Oh, oke. Tahu mana yang benar, mana yang salah gitu. Oke, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Putra. Now we have Widyawati. What kind of person do you get along with, Widyawati?
Maybe people who always respond my story.
Sorry?
People who always respond to my stories.
Oh, so you like a person who are a good listener too?
Yes.
Oke, kenapa kayak gitu, Widyawati?
Mungkin karena aku suka cerita-cerita, jadi butuh orang yang kayak ngerespon cerita aku, gak cuma oh iya gak gitu aja.
Oh, oke. Jadi kamu butuh didengarkan?
Ya, betul.
Oke, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Widyawati. Tadi Teddy ngangkat tangan gak jadi? Teddy dan? Teddy?
I think a leader, Miss.
What? A leader?
Iya, seorang pemimpin.
Oh, kenapa gitu?
Because I always change my mind.
Oh, you always change your mind. Jadi kamu mau orang yang ngarahin gitu ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Teddy, for sharing. Amira, what kind of person do you get along with?
I just bright, funny, and talkative.
Bright, funny, and talkative. Why bright, funny, and talkative?
Because that kind of people set me on mood.
What? That kind of people?
Set me on mood.
Set you on mood. Okay, good. Bright, funny, and talkative. Good. Okay, now maybe the last questions. The last question, number 6. We are not going to discuss number 7. That will be for later. Number 6. Previously is people that you like. Now people that you don't like. The personality that you cannot stand. Or the personality that you don't like. Metri.
Ya, Miss, jadi yang the kind of person I can understand would not admit to his mistake and play victim, I think. Ya, dia maunya di ngertiin orang lain, but dia nggak mau try to understand other people.
Okay, so egoist.
Gimana, Miss?
Egoist.
Yeah.
Okay, right. People who cannot admit their mistakes and always never try to understand people and self-centered.
Yeah.
Okay. You cannot stand that kind of person. Punya teman yang itu, Metri?
Ada. Itu gak nyaman banget, Miss. Gimana ya, kalau sekali 2 kali kita omongin kayak gitu, dan sebenarnya dia ngerasa gitu, Miss. Dia tahu kesalahan dia, his mistake, but ya itu masih terjadi, kayaknya aku bakal ya udah deh, jauh-jauh aja.
Alright, good. Thank you for sharing, Metri. Irgi, what kind of person you cannot stand?
I think the person is a lot of extrovert and a lot of talk too much gitu. Atau bisa disebut kayak caper gitu. Soalnya disturbing me and any person gitu, Miss.
Oke, caper kayak misalnya penjilat gitu.
Iya, maybe ya, dan kayak waktu itu tuh bukan waktu untuk bicara tapi dia banyak bicara gitu.
Okay. I understand. Okay. Right, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Irgi. Okay. Well, Sheila.
I can't stand people who like to pick on others or mocking others and doesn't care to others is feeling.
Okay. Picking on others itu maksudnya gimana?
Kayak ngejek atau ganggu, disturb someone.
Bully gitu ya?
Ya.
Okay. So, kamu pernah punya teman yang seperti itu, Sheila?
No.
Pernah kenal dengan orang yang seperti itu?
Yes.
Pernah kenal dengan orang seperti itu. Tapi kamu korbannya atau enggak?
No.
No. Oh, tapi
No.
kamu nggak suka.
Yes.
Okay. Do you try to stop them?
No, because I don't really kenal sama orang yang diituin, so I just watch.
Okay, good. Okay, so bully, orang yang bully, kalau sekarang pembulian kadang agak blur ya, agak blunder dengan yang namanya bercanda, ya.
Yes.
Kalau zaman sekarang gitu, cuman ada beberapa hal yang tetap pasti harus kamu pahami. Ada yang namanya bercanda, ada yang namanya bully, ada yang namanya nyinggung orang secara terang-terangan. Ya jangan ketika kamu bercanda sembarangan terus kemudian orang tersinggung kamu bilang baperan, gitu aja nangis gitu kan. Padahal memang kamu yang keterlaluan. Jadi ya kamu harus hati-hati baik itu di real life or in your social media. You have to be very careful with that. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Sheila. Now we have Ali. What kind of person you can stand, Ali?
The person that I can stand is too confident people.
Too confident. Everything that too itu emang nggak baik ya. Too confident people. Gimana tuh contohnya too confident people?
Contohnya kayak sometimes they like look down to others or humiliate the others.
Humiliate the others.
More like arrogant.
Arrogant, okay. Pernah kenal dengan orang seperti itu, Ali?
Pernah sih, Miss.
Okay.
Pintar tapi sombong gitu.
Okay, good. Okay, right, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Ali. Zaki, Adnan, what kind of person you cannot stand?
I can stand with a sensitive person, Miss.
Sensitive or very sensitive?
Sensitive because my jokes sometimes offensive.
Itu yang salah dia apa kamu sih? Itu yang salah tuh siapa nih sebenarnya? So your jokes is sometimes offensive, so you don't like someone who is baperan.
Yeah.
Ini nih yang tadi saya bilang nih. Ini nih. Jadi yang salah nih siapa? Oke. Nah,
because all of jokes is offensive, Miss.
All of jokes are offensive.
Semua jokes pasti menyinggung.
Oke, semua jokes pasti menyinggung. Jokes itu memang untuk menertawakan sesuatu ya, entah itu menertawakan orang. Adnan suka ngebully. Adnan suka ngebully. Oke. Alright. Nah, tapi sebenarnya memang sebenarnya gini. Kita hanya perlu mencari lingkungan di mana kita fit in. Kita ya seperti Adnan, karakternya memang seperti itu dan you don't really need to fit into kamu nggak perlu memaksakan kamu harus masuk ke semua orang, kan nggak gitu ya. Kita kan bukan people pleaser juga, bukan orang yang suka menyenangkan hati orang lain saja. Mungkin ada komunitas atau ada lingkungan atau ada kelompok yang juga cara bercandanya kayak Adnan, yang nggak baperan gitu. Yang mereka Adnan ngebully mereka nggak sakit hati, mereka ngebully juga Adnan nggak sakit hati gitu. Pasti ada kelompok yang seperti itu. Kita semua seperti itu. Jadi kalau misalnya what you need to do adalah hanya untuk melihat aja, oh kayaknya ini nggak bisa dibercandain nih orangnya, ya udah nggak usah bercandain orang ini gitu. Kamu akan bercanda dengan geng kamu yang lain, yang mengerti dengan jokes kamu yang mungkin kamu bilang jokes kamu offensive atau sarkastik misalnya. Me too. Aku lagi. Saya juga seperti itu. Gitu. Saya juga seperti itu gitu. Maybe my jokes are offensive too, but we're just to find people who accept us. Ya enggak sih? Karena every jokes are offensive. ketika mereka sensitif, mereka misalnya kamu find someone who is sensitive or too sensitive, ya mungkin memang bukan salah mereka juga dan bukan salah kamu juga. Intinya adalah kalian aja yang nggak cocok, gitu. So everybody can find their own circle, gitu. Ya, good. Thank you very much, Adnan, for sharing.
Yeah.
We have Andika. What kind of person who you can stand, Andika?
I cannot stand with people who talk too much, Miss.
Talk too much, too talkative.
Ya, tapi yang gak jelas gitu, Miss.
Yang gak jelas, caper juga. Yang tadi kata siapa tadi, Irgi apa? Caper.
Ya seperti gitu.
Okay, yeah, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Andika. We have Neisha.
Hello, Miss. The person I can stand is too attention seeking gitu, Miss.
Attention seeker.
Ya, benar. Attention seeker and too ambitious for everything.
Too attention seeker and too ambitious. Okay. Ini kayak di sekolah gitu ya, kelihatan teman-teman yang caper, penjilat, terus pengen nilai tinggi gitu ya.
Yes, betul.
Okay, good.
I hate that too much.
You cannot stand that kind of person. Okay, thank you, Neisha, for sharing. Deoni.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of
I
person you
can stand with people. Selfish, ma'am.
Selfish. What does it mean? Can you give me examples?
Yes. She always to be understood, even though she is wrong.
Okay, all right. She doesn't care to other people, but she needs to be cared a lot. Okay, good.
Yes,
Thank you very much, Deoni, for sharing. We have Agung. What kind of person you cannot stand?
I can stand someone who is not honest, Miss, because I think honesty is really important.
So you cannot stand
And then-
someone who keep telling lie?
Yeah, maybe sometimes I'm pretend I don't know when I actually know he is lying.
Okay, all right. Good. Thank you very much for sharing, Agung. We have Amira. What kind of person you cannot stand, Amira?
I cannot stand with people who talk negative about someone.
Who talk negative about someone? Oke, sebentar. Kayaknya, bentar. Berarti kalian ini nggak bisa ini ya, nggak bisa ngisi absen ya, sebentar. Takut waktunya habis. Yang ini yang resign itu siapa namanya?
Fauzan.
Fauzan, Bu.
Fauzan ya?
Syakir ya.
Oke. Alright. Okay, sorry Amira, can you repeat what kind of person you can't stand?
I can't stand with people who always talk about negative about people.
Okay. Who talk about other people behind their back?
Yes.
Okay, gossip girl.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, all right. You cannot stand that kind of person.
Yes, because everyone that have their own problems. So why she or he talk about everyone problems?
Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Amira. Ahmad?
I think irresponsible person.
Irresponsible person.
Yes,
Mhm.
because we must be responsible for the things we have done or the things we have been responsible for. Jadi singkatnya kayak berani berbuat, berani bertanggung jawab juga gitu.
Jawab. Okay,
Ya.
good, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Ahmad. And Gian?
Yes, Miss. I think a person I can stand is like people talk me behind. I think it's better talk me in front of me meskipun itu memaki saya atau kata-kata kasar karena I think I not people like gampang tersinggung atau mudah baper sih, Miss.
Oke, temenan sama Zaki dah.
Apa, Miss?
Temenan sama Zaki.
Oh iya. Saya bukan orang yang gampang marah gitu. And I don't like people like always make a romantic quotes.
Apa tuh? Kenapa hubungannya apa coba? Kenapa kamu gak suka?
Nggak, I don't know, but it's like a cringe.
Jijik gitu.
Ya. Nggak tahu kenapa gak suka gitu nih.
Maksudnya romantic quote-nya di mana nih? IG?
Iya, ya kayak gitu-gitu.
Oke. Oke, thank you. Berarti kamu gak suka orang yang romantis dong?
Suka, but not too berlebihan gitu.
Oke. Good, thank you very much. Oke, ada tempatnya ya, romantis ya sama pacar sendiri aja ya.
Jangan
sama. Post-post ya di IG ya. Oke, good. Thank you very much, Gian. The last one we have Naufal. Naufal?
Okay. What kind of person you can't stand? I think for me, the person that complains constantly. I mean, yeah, you could complain about something, but not constantly, right? Yeah. I mean,
So, you, like dikit-dikit ngeluh gitu ya?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
They could be very annoying sometimes, but they, yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Naufal. Well, so, okay, right. Well, everyone. Nah, itu tadi pre-discussion kita. It's pretty much like kamu udah berbicara sebenarnya tentang diri kamu sendiri, pretty much. Dan ada beberapa kamu juga sudah secara tidak langsung menggunakan vocabularies about personalities. Sometimes you don't know the vocabulary, but you can describe it. So that's what we are going to go deeper. What are those personalities and how to describe it actually. Nah, but before that, before we come further, kita udah 2 minggu nih. Kita udah jalan 2 minggu dan saya selalu memulai karena ini adalah kelas speaking lagi-lagi, jadi saya akan menginvite kamu untuk banyak-banyak ngomong. Dan luckily hampir semuanya di sini kelasnya enak, hampir semuanya itu gampang angkat tangan dan gampang mengutarakan pendapat, which is very very good. Tapi masih ada yang sudah 2 minggu, tapi saya masih belum melihat yang bersangkutan angkat tangan. Ada Syafwah dan ada Syara. Where are you? Syafwah and Syara. Ada orangnya? Syafwah Ajril dan Syarafina. Syarafina. Syafwah yang mana? Okay. Syafwah, I'd like to ask you a question. What kind of person you cannot stand, Syafwah?
The person like caper mungkin Miss, bisa dibilang kayak gitu.
Caper. Oke.
Ya, too much.
Too much apa?
Too much
Too much
talk,
apa?
Miss.
Too much talk. Okay, thank you, Shafwa. Shara, what type of person you can stand?
Someone who doesn't fit me.
Someone who doesn't fit you? What does it mean?
Every kind of person that not open-minded, I guess.
Person that cannot be open-minded.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Shara. Well, nah. So, previously you know what things or what personalities that you like. It means that those personalities can be classified easily as positive personality. Or also you know some personalities that you don't like, so we can classify it easily to negative personality. But it's not always happen that way. Sometimes what is positive according to us may be negative if it is seen by other people. What is negative according to us may be seen positive by other people. So some personality traits may be considered very, dapat dianggap dengan berbagai interpretasi tergantung kepada situasi dan kondisinya. Seperti tadi, Adnan will say that I am sometimes I joke offensively. Nah, Adnan think that yes, it is me and it is right for me to do that. It's not that it's not a problem actually, Adnan said. And some people who understand Adnan will think that this is not a negative trait. This is something something normal. Normal people ketika joking atau ketika bercanda, normalinya memang kamu saling membuli teman kamu, normalinya kamu saling ngejek teman kamu gitu. Nah, Zaki dan teman-temannya, maksudnya circle-nya Zaki yang punya pikiran sama, tidak akan menganggap itu sebagai negative traits. But mungkin orang lain yang a little too sensitive, menurut Zaki tadi, akan menganggap itu sebagai negative traits. Nah, maka ada kalanya traits ini atau personality ini tidak bisa benar-benar kita kotak-kotakkan antara positive traits sama negative traits, tidak bisa benar-benar kita kotak-kotakkan seperti itu. Karena ada kalanya yang positif di kita, yang negatif menurut kita itu akan diterima di circle-circle tertentu. Seperti tadi saya bilang. Dan yang menurut kita itu annoying, ternyata tidak annoying menurut orang-orang tertentu. Jadi we cannot really memisahkan itu secara sangat-sangat strict gitu. Okay, well sebentar, saya harus charge dulu laptopnya sebentar ya. Okay. But the important thing is that we will learn how to describe it. Whether it is positive or whether it is negative, itu kembali lagi ke kita masing-masing, but we know how to describe that personality. Ada kalanya kita bisa nyebutin kata-katanya, tapi kita tidak bisa mendeskripsikannya. Ada kalanya kita bisa mendeskripsikan kata-kata tersebut, kita bisa mendeskripsikannya, tapi nggak tahu kata-katanya. Kayak tadi kamu bilang, I am when I get problem, I can solve it. I try hard to solve it. Nah, itu apa? Nama personality-nya itu apa gitu. Nah, let me see. this is only some of the examples. This is only some of the examples. Like if you want to describe the personality, you can use this kind of sentence. A helpful person is blah blah blah. Someone who blah blah blah. A sociable person is someone who blah blah blah. Nah, ketika kamu disuruh mendeskripsikan sesuatu, kamu bisa mendeskripsikannya dengan cara seperti ini. Kamu bisa melihat, misalnya, what is open-minded person? An open-minded person is someone who, and an optimistic person is someone who. Kamu bisa mendeskripsikannya seperti itu. Or kamu juga bisa secara langsung memberi contoh. Misalnya, I am a rather carefree guy. I like what I like, which is a lot, but that can change in a snap. Okay, now there are so many traits yang tadi juga sudah kamu sebutkan di saat pre-discussion. Nah, I want to mention some traits, and I want you to think the description of that traits, and also maybe the example. Orang yang seperti apa yang bisa disebut dengan traits tersebut. Nah, the first one, what do you think? What is cheerful person like? What is a cheerful person like according to you? What is a cheerful person like? Rizky, silakan Rizky.
A cheerful person is someone who always have a good mood and make silaturahmi with others.
Okay. A cheerful person is someone who is always in a good mood and make silaturahmi with others. Apakah itu cheerful?
I think menjaga hubungan.
Menjaga hubungan baik. Oke. Okay. Okay, maybe we will keep that answer first. Keep silaturahmi atau menjaga hubungan baik, always keep in touch with people. Always keep in touch with people. Apakah itu cheerful atau tidak? Zaki, what is a cheerful person like?
Cheerful person is like an always happy person and sharing his or him happy to other gitu.
Sharing his or his happiness to others. Okay, that's a cheerful person. Okay, Yuni, what is a cheerful person like?
For me, a cheerful person is who always smile and feel happy whenever the situation it is. Anywhere, everywhere. Yeah.
Anywhere, everywhere. Okay, good. Well, the first one, cheerful person. Always feel happy. Always smile. Not always maybe but in most occasion. In most occasion, cheerful person feels happy and smile. And then can spread the happiness to others, seperti yang tadi kata Zaki, can spread the happiness to others. If that person always keep in touch with other people, if that person always keep in touch with other people, seperti yang Rizky sebutkan tadi, I think that he is not cheerful, but he is sociable. He is sociable. Okay, good. Well, the first one, cheerful person. Always feel happy. Always smile. Not always maybe but in most occasion. In most occasion, cheerful person feels happy and smile. And then can spread the happiness to others, seperti yang tadi kata Zaki, can spread the happiness to others. If that person always keep in touch with other people, if that person always keep in touch with other people, seperti yang Rizky sebutkan tadi, I think that he is not cheerful, but he is sociable. right? Cheerful is someone who is happy, someone who can light up the mood. Orang yang kalau nggak ada dia di tongkrongan jadi nggak rame gitu loh, nggak ada lo nggak rame gitu loh. Itu cheerful person. Tapi kalau misalnya orang yang suka always keep in touch with anybody, we can say that person is sociable person. Orang yang suka bersosialisasi. A friendly person who always makes friend. Someone who likes to make friends with anybody. Okay, right. Nah, good. Now, previously you mentioned, you always mention an introvert person. So, what is introvert person according to you? What is introvert person?
Tertutup, maybe.
Okay, try to describe it. Tertutup tuh seperti apa tuh? Okay, Metri first.
Having his own world, Miss.
What?
Having his own world, kayak dunia sendiri gitu.
Oh, having his own world. Okay. Try to compose example that is feel a little bit more real. Contohnya seperti apa tuh? Orang yang punya dunia sendiri itu contohnya kayak apa?
Dia tuh gak bisa mengeluarkan pendapat, tapi sebenarnya di dalam pikirannya tuh penuh, dia sibuk sendiri gitu loh.
That kind of introvert person.
Ya.
Okay. Aisyah. Aisyah, what is an introvert person?
I think introvert person is a type of person spending their time in loneliness, like alone. Not
spending
with
their
other
time
people.
alone.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Amira.
Introvert people is like more comfortable if he or she is lonely and
alone maybe.
Alone.
Ada orang yang comfortable being lonely. Nggak ada orang yang enak suka kesepian tuh nggak ada.
Alone and
sendiri ya.
Kalau dia ketemu orang yang banyak, it's
terkuras energinya. Oke. Irgi?
I think that tidak bersosialisasi, but he can sociable in his comfort zone, guys.
Okay, he is not that sociable person, but he can be sociable in his comfort zone. Okay, Kahfi?
Miss, okay. I think introvert are always alone and throw away things that are not important. Kayak membuang hal yang sia-sia gitu. Sebenarnya orang introvert itu suka untuk bersosialisasi, namun kayaknya kalau ada hal yang nggak penting ya udahlah, jangan dipikirin gitu, nggak usah ikutan.
Okay, alright, good. Thank you very much. Naisha, you want to say something, Naisha?
Miss, for the introvert person, actually, they really like to kayak seneng gitu bersosialisasi sama orang tuh. But if this day they can bersosialisasi dengan orang-orang, tapi nanti pas dia pulang ke rumah tuh kayak dia tuh kekuras seluruh energi yang di dalam tubuhnya tuh.
Okay.
Itu
So
juga
they,
terjadi sama aku gitu.
you are comfortable with yourself.
Yes,
You are
for
comfortable being alone.
sometimes. For
Sometimes.
sometimes. Just
Okay.
my personality is a 50% extrovert and a 50% from introvert.
Okay. Okay. Right.
So
Good.
yeah. So I'm
Mhm.
being comfort with both personalities that
But not too much. Like you don't really like to socialize with people, but you don't really like to be alone with yourself too. In
yeah.
between.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for sharing, Naisha. Shara?
Like Nisha personality, I guess there are levels of introvert. Like maybe some are just tired when meeting people, some
Mhm.
prefer to be alone, and some are very closed. So there's a
Mhm.
level of introvert personality.
Okay. How about you, Shara? What type of person are
I
you?
have some personality as Nisha, for 50% of introvert and 50% of extrovert.
Okay. Thank you very much, Shara, for sharing. Gian?
Yes, Miss. I think people like hard to invite, susah diajak berkumpul dan main gitu, Miss.
Okay. Mhm.
And like, aduh, tadi hilang di kepala, Miss. Tadi udah ada.
Okay. So
like,
people who cannot hang out with you,
yes.
simply.
And cannot to continue the topic gitu, Miss. Kalau diajak ngobrol teh udah berhenti gitu.
Oh, gitu.
Yes.
People who don't like to open.
Yes. Open
Okay.
the
Okay. How? What do you think, Putra?
Introvert person is a person just focus on him. Dia cuman fokus ke dunianya dia gitu. And him don't care any people maybe gitu.
Okay, good. Nah, yeah, thank you very much, Putra. Again, we cannot say that this is we don't classify it into positive traits and negative traits, because again, what may seems positive to other people may be negative for the others. Okay, now today I previously last week I have asked you to find someone that you like, the famous people that you adore. Maybe you have picked some, and now I would like to know, why do you like those person? Well, before that, let's see. Have you got my tab? My new tab?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Are you familiar with these with these faces?
Yeah.
Familiar sekali.
Familiar sekali. Dengan yang mana kamu familiar sekali?
Mas Elon.
My lovely Rahel V-nya.
Oh loh, lovely Rahel V-nya.
Alah.
Oke.
Lovely.
My lovely Rahel V-nya. Bentar. Siapa tuh tadi my lovely Rahel V-nya? Atau siapa tadi tuh?
Agung
18.
Oke. Nah, maybe some. Nah, kalau Rahel V-nya, Agung, why do you like her?
Because ngikutin dari awalnya, Miss.
Waduh. Jadi yang kamu suka dia tuh apanya?
Perjalanan hidupnya yang awalnya biasa aja, sekarang jadi banyak duitnya gitu, Miss.
Awalnya biasa aja, sekarang jadi banyak duitnya. Oke, menurut kamu kenapa dia bisa kayak gitu?
Kayak dia tuh bisa cari peluang gitu, Miss, dengan handphonenya dia. Dengan foto-foto dia tuh kayak bisa menghasilkan orang buat tertarik buat nge-follow dia gitu, Miss.
Oke. Jadi menurut kamu itu good personality nggak?
Good personality awalnya dari cantiknya Miss kan, terus
Oke, awalnya cantik pasti. Oke. Terus ya
dia
yang
tuh
kamu
kayak
kagumi itu karena dia cantik apa karena dia yang tadi kamu jelasin?
Cantik.
dulu
Karena
mah
cantik.
feeds IG-nya bagus.
Cantik.
Miss.
Personalities, Gun.
Apanya bagus?
Feeds IG-nya makanya nge-follow tuh. Jadi
Apanya bagus? Isi IG-nya?
Ya.
Heeh. Yang bagus kamu lihat tuh apanya? Wajahnya.
Dulu ya sama feeds IG-nya Miss, cara dia apa nggunain Instagram tuh kayak gimana gitu bikin orang
Oke.
kayak tertarik buat nge-follow-nya gitu Miss.
Berarti kalau menurut kamu apa namanya, bukan sifat ya, plus poinnya apa tuh? Kalau dia apa namanya, kalau dia tahu cara menggunakan Instagram, dia tahu cara memanfaatkan peluang, berarti apa tuh plus poinnya?
Maybe apa ya, ambisius, kayak apa ya, bisa mencari peluang tuh apa sih Miss?
Oke, nanti kamu cari tuh. Nanti kamu cari kata-kata yang tepatnya. Kita bisa pakai smart, tapi masih smart dalam hal apa, ambitious dalam hal apa, you can also use hardworking dalam hal apa juga. Apalagi yang bisa kamu lihat dari racial V-nya? Cantik pasti ya. Cantik mah beda lagi topik.
Dia punya banyak usaha juga Miss.
Berarti
Maybe
dia
woman business.
Businesswoman.
Businesswoman.
Businesswoman. A successful businesswoman.
Produknya atau apa sih Miss?
Apa? Ya, berarti
Contoh
kan
dia
dia successful businesswoman toh?
Ya.
Successful businesswoman. Nah, apa namanya tuh, sebagai perempuan yang berada di industri atau berada di negara yang didominasi oleh apa namanya, patriarki ya, dia itu bisa sukses, dia itu bisa berhasil. Plus poin yang dia punya yaitu tadi kayak hardworking, dia kreatif, dia smart, maybe, and then dia. Kamu pernah lihat wawancaranya dia nggak?
Di YouTube doang Miss.
Menurut kamu gimana kalau dia ngomong?
Dari public speaking-nya kayak udah tersusun rapi gitu Miss, kayak bisa ya orang terstruktur gitu Miss, cara pengucapannya gitu.
Kelihatan kalau dia smart ya.
Ya.
Kelihatan kalau dia smart, isi kepalanya juga positif, dan kelihatan juga dia orangnya positif karena yang keluar dari mulutnya kayaknya positif, gitu ya. Okay, good, Agung. Do you like her very much? Lovely Rahel V-nya.
Ya, Miss.
Do you like her very much?
Yep, maybe.
Okay, good. Now, how about the other faces there? The other faces in that picture. Who else?
Susi Pujiastuti.
Susi Pujiastuti. Okay. What do you know about her? Susi Pujiastuti.
She is firm, Miss.
Firm?
Ya, tegas.
Okay. Gimana contohnya? Why can you say that? Why can you say that she is firm and strict maybe?
Kalau ada pelanggaran di perbatasan laut gitu, dia ngambil keputusannya cepat lah gitu.
Okay, alright. She is firm and she is cool.
Yeah,
Karena cool. Cool. Alright, good. What else, Andika?
Cukup sih, itu doang paling, Miss.
Yang paling on point itu ya, yang paling on point itu ya. firm, strict, and cool yang pasti. Okay, good. Others? Good. Who else?
Maudi, Miss.
Maudi. Okay, Maudi, what can you say about her?
Pretty, popular, smart.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Pretty, popular, smart. What else?
Talented.
Talented.
Ya gitu sih, Miss.
Okay. Nah, have you ever seen her? Have you ever seen her interview somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. What did she do to get on Stanford University? Do you think that going to Stanford is easy for her, even?
No.
And
He bravely left his music career.
okay.
Ketika saat itu dia lagi berada agak di puncak gitu, tapi dia berani buat tinggalin itu gitu.
Good, good. Dia berani mengambil keputusan kalau begitu. And then what else? Apa lagi yang dia lakukan sehingga dia bisa masuk Stanford University? Stanford Business University.
Focus on learning.
Focus, yes. Focus on learning and then dedicate. She is very dedicated and determined. Okay, good. All right, who else?
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Okay, what do you know about him?
He is innovative.
Okay.
And risk taker.
Risk taker, and then
very brave.
Very brave.
And open-minded and out of the box.
Out of the box. Okay, good, good. Thank you very much, Amira. Who's next? Don't you know the other two? Don't you know the other two faces?
Gak tahu, Miss.
Okay. Below Elon Musk is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is someone who has the Apple company. And then the other one is BTS Jungkook. Okay, so the other one between Maudi and Susi Pujiastuti is BTS Jungkook. Do you know something about BTS Jungkook? Do you know some good poem about BTS Jungkook besides his face? Sarah?
Okay, I'm not really know about BTS or Jungkook, but I know how K-pop idols work to achieve their dream. Like they have a system like when you want to be like idol, you have to have a trainee days.
Okay.
It can like 5 years or till 10 years to become an idol. So I
And then
think they're hard work.
They are very hardworking. Okay, good. Yes, that's a very good point, Shara. That's a very good point. That maybe not only BTS Jungkook, but every K-pop idol do the same. They will go on the training stage from the early age, from a very early teenager, 11-12 tahun, and then after 5 or 7 years, they finally become the K-pop star. Not everybody is successful. Berarti siapa yang successful bisa melewati tahap itu, berarti mereka adalah a very hardworking person, a very determined person, very focused person also. Not only BTS Jungkook, everybody in that industry. Good point, Syara. Thank you very much. Nah, kamu kan poinnya bagus-bagus nih, Syara. Kenapa kemarin nggak suka ngomong, Syara?
I'm just sleepy, Miss.
Enak aja kamu sleepy.
Because like morning and Monday like sleepy.
Yes, morning and Monday. That's a very bad combination. 7 a.m. on Monday. 4 jam lagi ya. Untung kuliahnya cuma omong-omong doang. Nggak ada nulis-nulis. Okay, good. Nah, Steve Jobs pretty much the same like Elon Musk. Karena mereka bergerak dalam creative things. Okay, right. Nah, well now, while I think that everybody here sudah menyiapkan satu nama atau satu orang yang pengen kamu deskripsikan kepada kita semua, seperti tadi kamu mendeskripsikan beberapa orang terkenal ya. Sebelum kita ke sana, maybe I'm going to give you 5-minute breaks first. So we will sekarang 9:05, 9:10 kita akan kembali lagi ke sini dan kita akan mulai your personal presentation about famous people and then their personalities that you like. Their personalities or the plus point that you like. Okay? Well, silakan istirahat dulu 5 menit.
Thank you, Miss.
Thanks, Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.